Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Netdata on Linux Mint 20.2. Netdata is an open source tool that collects real-time metrics such as CPU usage, disk activity, bandwidth usage, website visit, etc., and displays them in a live graphs that are easy to read. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. I am using Linux Mint 20.2 version. Next, I am going to install Netdata by running the following script. The installation completed. Next, I'm going to check the Netdata running status by using the default port number. Yes, it is running. Next, I'm going to check the status of Netdata by using the following command. It is active and running. Next, I'm going to allow the Netdata port number on firewall by using the following command. Next, I'm going to restart the firewall by using the following command. Next, I'm going to enable the firewall. And again, I'm going to restart the firewall. I'm going to check the firewall status by using the following command. Okay, it is active. Next, I'm going to open the browser. We want to give our IP and the Netdata's default port number. This is the home page of Netdata monitoring tool, and here we can see all the system details. Now the process of installing Netdata monitoring tool has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.